During sa iyang interview, a singer and a songwriter named Meredith Andrews, as he spoke about being overwhelmed when she tried to balance outreach, creative work, marital issues, and motherhood. Reflecting on her distress, miingon siya, I felt like God was taking me through a refining season, almost a crushing process. Hinumdumi kini pag-ayo. Pain and problems can produce shining, rock-solid character that comes from trusting God when life is hard. Another day, another life lesson.